or Mr. Chance the Rapper, I greatly appreciate the way you rolled out the red carpet, allowing me to articulate myself as how I stand on my own too, beloved. Yeah!
I don't wanna slide. I'ma stand up on my own too. Stand up on my own too. I don't wanna slide. I'ma stand up on my own too. Stand up on my own too.
Check it, yo. I'm a man understanding the plan that I'm on. To be granted everything, make you a fan of the song. How I stand, got a wondering what planet I'm gone. The one that only God and Kings come from. 100 grand on the child that always ran from the wrong. Standing on his own too, but wanna stand with the strong. Please get to turning on the fan, cause it's warm while I build just a little about the man I was born to be. This whole planet belongs to me. Yeah. We all feel the same, so it belongs to it. Yeah. We talking all night, but this is my birthright. Please, can you get to bringing the crown to me? Yeah, I know you all for it. You only be deemed worthy if you stand tall for it. When you and your man were sitting, yeah, I know you all saw it. This great shit we got going on here. Don't slip, slip, slip.